exciting career with Starfleet. Attention! Shuttle 4 to the Federation Fleet Museum at 8th and Prime will be departing in 10 minutes. All ticketed passengers, please make your way to the platform. Due to Federation security regulations, biomimetic jumps, life-saving liquid crystals, and any metagenic devices are prohibited while on the spaceport. Due to Federation regulations,
Fill up all available seats within the orange square.
Hello, I'm Commander Baker of the Federation Fleet Museum. I would like to invite all of you to tour our facility orbiting 8th and Prime here at the Fleet Museum. We offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring starship history. And today, you will have a chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced, the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. Originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard, we've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbolifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
Approaching Federation Fleet Museum.
Alright, our second group, make sure that you are staying with your group and behind that yellow line, filling all available space. Hello, welcome aboard the Enterprise D. Welcome aboard the Enterprise D. We're gonna get our start for today with this. This is an atmosphere. I'd like to start to meet none of you are ready to talk about into statements. Wow. Space. We found a frontier, right? Anybody recognize that starship docked out there? Yes, that is none other than Kirk's Enterprise. And as we learned back at Starship Academy, it was one of the great... What's that?
Proximity alert. Unknown entity.
Shuttle Bay 3 to bridge, we have an unknown entity trying to enter our atmosphere and field. Everyone please remain calm. Whatever that thing is, the force field will keep it out.
Warning. Anomaly detected with Shuttle Bay 3.
Retreat inside for over. Everyone please remain calm. We're going to take you to our sick bay. There's 6 doors. You're going to follow me in a calm and orderly fashion. Everyone, let's go. Alright, everyone, file into our sick bay. Is everyone alright?
We should be safe in here. Okay, let's go. I'm so sorry about the interruption to your tour. We're trying to figure out what's going on as quickly as possible. That's not possible. Maybe there's no unusual readings there. Maybe, come on, all this old tech and none of it works right. What in the neutral zone is going on here? Computer, analyze the energy signature of the interference. Is it isolated to this area?
Negative. Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
But how is that possible? Computer, there are no readings indicating any kind of unusual...
Yellow alert.
Yellow alert. All right, that is not good. Whatever this thing is on the move. All right, sick bay to engineering.
Unable to complete transmission.
Great, now something's interfering with my comm badge. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna send you directly to engineering. If anyone here can figure out how to get systems back online, it'll be them. Head straight through those doors. Stay in your groups and be careful. We'll figure this out, okay? Go as quickly and safely as you can, and everyone as quickly and safely as you can. Engineering should know how to fix this. You'll be safe in there. Let me see if I can get through now. Sick bay to...
Just stand by. A tour group should not be in here right now.
Doesn't matter, they're here now.
What is this thing?
Whatever it is, it's spreading to nearly every system on the ship.
Well, can you find a way to slow it down?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Access denied.
This thing keeps locking me out of systems override.
Oh, we need to reverse the
polarity of that. The warp core.
It's destabilizing.
We're losing magnetic containment.
All deck. Ready.
Please, move away from the warp core.
Core pre-launch. Proceed to nearest transporters for
Red alert!
evacuation.
We need to get everyone off this ship now.
To the turbo lifts.
Yes, please.
Go.
As
Move to
quickly
the
as you
turbo
can.
lifts. As quickly and as safely as you can.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
We are in red alert.
We'll be right behind you.
Keep going.
Computer, override these doors. Computer, turbo lift doors. Computer, quickly. Everybody inside. Computer, now everybody's inside. You can close it. Good. All right, is everybody all right? Apart from that, no one's injured. All right, excellent. Don't worry, we can take care of it. Don't worry, we're heading to the transporter room right now. We're going to beam off the ship and get everybody out of here. But it's important that we stay
Transporter room access denied. Rerouting.
Rerouting. Whoa! No, computer! Computer, take it back! Computer, acknowledge! Evacuate! We need to get all these people off the ship! The control panel! Computer, activate emergency override authorization 5762. Still not going the right way. Okay, alright, don't be panicked. It's important now we remain calm and level-headed. Bridge. She said bridge.
Bridge.
He's right, the bridge. Everybody, quickly. This way. We have an moment to leave. They're very smart in that.
Everybody out of the turbo lifts. Come up here as well. Please watch out for these consoles. We need everyone on the bridge. Please move out of the turbo lifts. Is that everyone? Good. Stay where you are. We're gonna do this together.
Engineering, can you read me?
Cross the lock out.
Not understand. It is the entity.
Here with everyone. You know all on the way. Thank you.
Negative. Nothing is responding. We're completely locked out.
Translation request confirmed. Establishing comms.
What? Who's doing that?
It is the entity. It is accessing the ship's universal translation.
Stand by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious fascinated by your kind.
Computer, scan and identify the entity.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
What?
You too were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next minute.
Did we just make first contact? Yes. We need to report this to Starfleet Command.
But first, let us get all of you to the transporter. Bridge to transport, sending it to a room